Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I remain Emmanuel Doyle, and in this series we have been discussing on how we can get free adverts for every type of business and from free locations. And I had mentioned two earlier. One was from social media, next one was from forums. Now the next one I'm going to talk about is that you can get free advert from you can get free advert from other people's seminars. You attend other people's seminars, and when you have something positive to contribute in those seminars, they will be happy to allow you have an opportunity to talk about what you are offering. Sometimes it could just be for a certain percentage. They could tell you if you can drive um people to come to this seminar, then we'll give you an opportunity to talk. So all you need to do is create an affiliate link and kind of advertise about the seminar, drive your friends to the seminar, and they will pass through you. And once they know that they have gotten people through you, you can go to your seminar and you can go and pitch your product, and they will buy from you. So you don't have to pay anything for that. All you just need to do is just to have a good selling proposition and have a good way of telling people about the product which you are selling. So you should use that as an opportunity to enhance your wealth and grow your businesses. Go and attend other people's seminars, hear what they have to offer, learn how it works, and then you can pitch in, become a member of their team, or you can just be an affiliate or become a friend of the people that organize the seminars, and then add your own product there. And maybe you sell your ebooks, or you can give out free ebooks, you can free advices, free manuals and all that. And from there, inside those ebooks or inside those free manuals are your product. So you have sold something in a place that you actually paid nothing for. So that's all you need to do. Use free seminars, free workshops, free conferences organized by other people to stage or to advertise your own products. Now, in the next video, we will also give you other tips in other areas. So if you want to have more from us, all you need to do is just to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button. And as more tips come in from other areas, you would learn more. We can also look at other avenues.